All right. So the first criteria that we discussed yesterday was angle. Now listen to this carefully. If this angle is 50 and this is 60, say this is triangle ABC. Please listen to this carefully. And this is another triangle PQR. Let's say this is 50 and this is 60. Beta, if their two angles are equal, then third angle will be automatically equal because they are bound. Angles bound. More, some of the angles can't be more than 80, and it can't be less than. Sorry, can't be more than 180, can't be less than 180. It has to be exact 180. So if two angles are equal, third will automatically come equal. 70. In the 70, that's right. In the first triangle, third angle is 70, and second triangle also is what? It will be 70. It has to be. So we don't need to find it. 2 angle is fine. So how will I name this triangle? Triangle ABC would be similar to triangle what? QRP. Be very particular with the names. Wrong. Because whenever two triangles are similar, yes or no? This also we discussed yesterday. Right. If two triangles are similar, then please copy it if you don't write this yesterday. If two triangles are similar, write down the note. Then, first point, their corresponding angles are equal. This means what? Write quickly. If two triangles are similar, like in congruency, they are equal. Similarly, here, angles are equal. This means, now what is the meaning of corresponding? Corresponding angles, either we look at the figure or we look at the name. That's why we have to be very particular in writing the name. If it is ABC, it has to be QRP, because then only A would be equal to Q. Angle A equals to angle Q. Angle B equals to angle R. And angle C equals to angle P. Clear? And then the second point, we are revising it. We did it yesterday. They're very good. Their corresponding sides, not sides, corresponding sides are proportional. Now, how do we write these corresponding sides? I'm showing you here. How do we write these corresponding sides? Either we copy them, write it from the figure, or you write it from the what? The name that you have written. I'm using the name. Let's see. First name, first side is AB. So AB upon QP. QR, sorry. First. BC upon what? RP. Or AC upon QP. Now please listen. You can even do it from the figure. AB. AB is opposite to the unknown angle. So which side is the unknown angle? QR. So AB upon QR. Sometimes the name is not given. You can even pick it from the figure. Then second is BC. BC is opposite to 50 degree. Yes or no? 50 degree angle. What is opposite to the 50 degree angle? PR. Means the same thing. Then third side, AC. AC is opposite to the third angle, 60. Here, opposite to the third angle is what? That's it. So whenever two triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal and the sides are proportional. Now please write down the heading. Very basic and most common shapes that we consider in similarity. Very common, very prominent shapes, and these shapes will always, we call them bow shape and common shapes. Okay, let's see. Write down the heading. First is bow shape. Now what is this bow shape? Write on bow shape. It will be like this. Whenever it is bow shape, then what happens? Let's see. AB. Let's say we have CD. Now in bow shape, vertically opposite angles will always be equal. Always. In bow shape, vertically opposite angles will always be equal. And then because to prove two triangles similar, we have to show what? We have to show what? At
They
least
are
two
equivalent
angles.
to.
Yes, at least two angles equal, right, beta? At least two angles equal. Now, for the other angle, they will certainly give you a condition. Like I am putting a condition in this question that these two lines are parallel. So if these two lines are parallel, alternate interior Z angles should be equal. So this is single dash, this will also be single. Now this has become a question. Let's say question says find x and y. Find x and y. Let's say this is 5 centimeters, this is 10 centimeters, this is x, this is 4 centimeters, and this is y, 8 centimeters. Let's make this also 4 and this as y. Okay, this is the question. Now this is a very and this shape will be combined with some other shapes. And if you can learn to identify this shape, you can do so many questions of similarity. Let's see. Whenever we have to show two triangles similar, what do? We generally, we always, not generally, we write their names first. Check here. We write their names first. What is the first triangle? ABO. Yes, in triangle ABO. And then and triangle DOC. You can write in any order. No problem. Right now we can write in any order. But when you write in similarity that triangles are similar, then you have to follow the order. First, I write angle A is equal to angle C. Why? Alternate interior angle. Or interior alternate, it's fine. We can write it in. Next, angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Now it is very important to know that sometimes we write the angle with 3 letters, sometimes we write it with 1. If there is only one angle at a vertex, so we name it with single letter A. But here at O, there are 4 angles, one on the left side, one on the right side that I have already marked, one at the top, one at the bottom. 4 angle है वो पे. कौन सा वाला equal होगा? Which one would be equal? Which one would be equal? Yes, left and right, so we have to write the whole name. How do we name the angle? Angle is at O and its arms are A and B. So on one side it's A, one side it's B. So name of the angle will be AOB. Is this clear? Any doubt in naming the angle? Right side also angle O, one side C. We can write it COD or DOC. 2 angles are equal. And if 2 angles, look at the blue triangle and green, that 2 angles are equal. So if 2 angles are equal, then what do we say? What do we say? If 2 angles are equal, then what do we say? Triangles are?
The triangles are similar.
That's right. So we'll say therefore, let's name it properly. Triangle AOB is similar. Now, how did I name AOB? Single dash angle, double dash angle, then no dash angle. Double single dash triangle COD. By what option? By angle. Hence, if two triangles are similar, AO upon CO, OB upon OD is equals to AB upon CD. If two triangles are similar, then the sides are what? Proportional. If two triangles are similar, then their sides are proportional. So put the values. AO is X, CO is 4, OB is 4, OD is how much? Y, AB is 5, CD is 10. Now we'll take one fraction equal to the other. Unknown equals to the known. What will be the? Everything is in centimeter, even if I am not mentioning. What will it be? 5 2s are 10 centimeter cut. 4 will come up. What will it be? X will be 2 centimeters. One. 4 over y equals to 5 over 10. I'm not writing centimeter 2. Then do cross multiplication. We'll go here by here. 4 into 2 is y. 8 is y, or we say y is equals to 8 centimeters. This is the answer. Is this clear to you? How to deal with this shape? How to deal with this shape? Okay. Names will
Sorry,
always come opposite. अगर x की value 2 आ गई तो proportional नहीं होगा? No, it will be proportional. Let's put it here. What values have you got? Let's put the value. At the end, you are getting 5 by 10. That's coming 1 by 2. X is coming 2 and this is 4. It's also coming 1 by 2. This is 4 and y is coming 8. This is also coming 1 by 2. Because the ratio of all the sides is same, so sides are proportional. Is this clear?
Yes.
Very good. So this is how we deal with the first shape.
Sir,
Yes.
सर ये क्वेश्चन नंबर कौन सा है?
This is no question. I am telling you, we are not starting the chapter. We are just dealing with some basic concepts.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Chapter is very easy. Don't worry, you can do any question. Write down the second shape that we're going to discuss today. And that is, please write down the heading. We call it common shape. That's the second shape. That is very common in similarity. And we common shape. Common shape. Is that clear? Write down quickly common shape. Quickly write down common shape. Now, how does it come? It's like one triangle would be drawn inside the other triangle. It's like A, B, C, and we'll have D, E. Sometimes these two sides are parallel given or not given, so there's some other condition. DE. Let's see. First triangle is ADE. I'm drawing it separately also. Check. Maybe we'll not do any working for this one. ADE. And the other one is the whole big triangle ABC. Now, why do we call it common type? Because in these two triangles, this angle is common, the upper one, A. A is coming in both. So, no matter what value or what is the magnitude of this angle, it will be equal. These two will be equal. Yes or no? I repeat, it does not matter what is the measure of these two angles. Yes, that's right. Understood? Is this clear to you? So angle is common. Angle is common. Now, you remember corresponding angles? This angle equals to this. I'll show you. Two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Two parallel lines cut by a transversal. Then corresponding means right upper angle will be equal to right upper angle of this transversal with the other parallel. This is corresponding. Corresponding matlab means right side upper one, right side upper one. Even here, right side upper one, right side upper one. These are what? Corresponding angles. Is that clear to you? Any doubts? No? Clear? Understood? Yes. So we do. So this angle is equal to this. So are these two triangles similar? By what axioms? I am writing directly. Triangle ADE would be similar to triangle ABC. By what axiom? By angle. But this is wrong if I am writing it directly like this. Because first I should mention the names of the triangle. In triangle ADE and triangle ABC. I write angle DAE is equals to angle BAC. You can even write AA by common. Is this clear? Angle ADE, the other one, is equals to ABC by corresponding angles. And then if two triangles are similar, their sides will be proportional. And maybe if you have to find some sides, put their values in the chart. For BD, instead of AD, we can write DBC.
Sir.
Angle B. Yes, you can write angle B also. Because at A, we have only one angle. We can write it as also, B also, C. But for D and E, we cannot write because at D I have two angles, one up, one down. There are two angles at D. E also there are two angles. Is this clear? So this is how we deal with these two shapes that are very common in similarity.
Excellent,
So
sir.
after doing these questions only, we do what? We enter the main exercise. Right, beta?